Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This time I'll be showing you how to use SciSpace to extract data from any document. So just log into your SciSpace account. Then upload your PDF document and create a folder so that you won't get lost with your work. In this example, I'll just create a sample folder where I will upload my file. Notice that I already have 2 folders, plus my newly created sample folder. I have 15 documents here. There are many options for what you can do with your document. You can chat and export results in various formats. You can also create new columns to extract summaries, conclusions, results, and so much more. In this example, I only extracted the results of the PDF. Select the folder where you extracted your results data. You can export it as a CSV file or as an Excel file. But as you can see, it's not formatted properly. You can clean up the results by simply copying and pasting into a Word document. I hope you learned something from this short tutorial. In a future video, I'll be demonstrating SciSpace together with Claude AI. Imagine using Claude AI inside SciSpace to fast-track your literature search. So, subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching.